The Canal Trust now have the experience and the power, and they've got some really good people in charge now who are running the trust. The former chairman, who unfortunately passed away, did loads for the canal, and his legacy is continuing along this route now. And with that experience, things can be done a lot quicker. So if the tunnel can be done and the locks can be done that go around Killamarsh, I think it's called, where the canal was built on, there's a very real possibility that this could be done in the time period they're looking at, which would be incredible.